Are you looking for the food kitchen scale? In this video, we will show the 5 best food kitchen scale. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 5. OXO Good Grips 11-pound stainless steel kitchen scale with pull-out display, black. Brand, Excel. Color, black. Recommended uses for product, food. Special feature, large display, portable, backlit display. Display type, digital. Stainless steel is smudge and fingerprint resistant. Zero function for tearing the scale before weighing additional ingredients. Digital screen with large, easy-to-read numbers. Removable platform for convenient cleaning. Pull-out display prevents shadowing from large plates or bowls. Unit conversion button to measure in ounce, pound, gram, or kilogram. The EXO Better Guarantee. If you experience an issue with your EXO product, get in touch with us for a repair or replacement. We're grateful for the opportunity to learn from your experience, and we'll make it better.
Number 4. Etekcity Digital Food Kitchen Scale. Grams and ounces for weight loss, baking, and cooking. 0.05 ounce/1 gram precise graduation. 5 weight units, IPX6 waterproof, USB rechargeable. 304 stainless steel silver, 22 pounds. Brand, Etekcity. Color, stainless steel silver. Recommended uses for product, animals, envelopes, jewelry, medicines, pets, vegetables. Special feature, auto shut-off, backlit display, IPX6 waterproof, large display, rechargeable. Display type, LED. Max capacity. Weigh objects as heavy as 22 pounds/10 kilograms and as light as 2 grams in increments of 1 gram. IPX6 waterproof design. Features an IPX6 waterproof design, allowing you to easily measure liquids and wipe the scale clean. Type-C rechargeable battery. The scale features a rechargeable battery and comes with a USB-C charging cable. 5 units. Choose between grams, ounces, pounds and ounces, milliliters, milk and water, and fluid ounces. Bonus features. Use the tear feature and hold function for added convenience. Multi-purpose use. The scale is useful for baking, meal prep, baby food prep, weighing babies and pets, weighing parcels, and planning DIY projects. Helpful tip.
Number 3. BOMATA Large Kitchen Scale with 0.1 gram, 0.001 ounce high precision. 5 kilogram, 11-pound bakery scale with percentage function. USB rechargeable, full view angle LCD with backlight, stainless steel pan. Brand, BOMATA. Color, black. Recommended uses for product, food, nuts. Special feature, auto shut-off, backlit display, high weight capacity, large display/size, tear function. Display type, LCD. About this item, large size hold function. The size of weighing platform 7.2 by 7.2 inches, more convenient to weigh large-sized items. With the hold function, it can be measured even if the size exceeds the weighing pan. 0.1 gram high precision and powerful function. The built-in high-quality sensor provides 0.1 gram accuracy in 0.5 gram to 5 kilogram measurement range. Powerful functions, percentage function, tear, hold function, unit, counting, auto-off, can be canceled, calibration, etc. Number 2. KitchenAid KQ909 Dual Platform Digital Kitchen and Food Scale. 11-pound capacity and precision 16-ounce capacity. Black with stainless steel. Brand, KitchenAid. Color, black. Recommended uses for product, food. Special feature, smart. Weight limit, 16 pounds. Max capacity in unit increments. Platform 1, 11 ounce by 0.1 ounce and 5,000 grams by 1 gram. Platform 2, 16 ounce by 0.001 ounce and 500 grams by 0.01 gram. Durable. Stainless steel surfaces wipe up quickly and will not stain or retain food odors. Unique feature: 2-line backlit LCD readout calculates weights for both platforms at the same time. Tare feature: weigh all ingredients into one container by using the tare feature to zero out weights in between additions. Also works to zero the weight of any container before adding food. Easy cleanup: durable stainless steel surfaces wipe up quickly and will not stain or retain food odors. Battery: powered by 3 AAA batteries included. Scale can be powered off of will. Auto shut off after 3 minutes of no change in weight on the platform.
Number 1. BOMATA large kitchen scale with 0.1 gram / 0.001 ounce high precision, 5 kilograms / 11 pound bakery scale with percentage function, USB rechargeable, full view angle LCD with backlight, stainless steel pan. Brand: BOMATA. Color: black. Recommended uses for product: food, nuts. Special feature: auto shut off, backlit display, high weight capacity, large display /size, tare function. Display type: LCD. Large size hold function. The size of weighing platform is 7.2 by 7.2 inches, more convenient to weigh large-sized items. With the hold function, it can be measured even if the size exceeds the weighing pan. 0.1 gram high precision and powerful function. The built-in high-quality sensor provides 0.1 gram accuracy and 0.5 grams to 5 kilograms measurement range. Powerful functions: percentage function, tare, hold function, unit, counting, auto off, can be canceled, calibration, etc. Percentage function, baker's helper. No need to calculate the gram weight of the ingredients. Use the percentage function to operate according to the ratio, which greatly improves the efficiency. Rechargeable or plugged in to use. Plug in via USB-C to charge the one built-in lithium battery and maintain continuous power. Also works with 2 external AA batteries for flexible use.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.